Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design an AV monogram logo, using the Shape Builder tool and the Line Segment tool. Make sure watch to until the end of the video and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Have a nice watching. Select the star tool. Click. With the 3 points, make a triangle. Hold Alt and Shift to make it bigger. Now hold Shift and rotate. OK. After that, select this. Hold Alt and drag to create a copy. And rotate it. Hold Shift and make some smaller. After that, select the Line Segment tool. Draw a line from here. Like this. Perfect. Now go to the Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle like this. After that, rotate and intersect with this line. Now select this. Right-click on the mouse. Go to the Transform, Reflect, and Copy. And intersect with this line. Perfect. Now select this. Hold Alt and drag to copy. And place it here, like this. Do this in the same way. OK. After that, select all. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. After that, click and drag to join these parts. Join every small part carefully. OK. After that, hold Shift and select these parts. And drag it out. Select these extra parts and press Delete. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.